Riverview House, a long linear design, takes advantage of expansive views to the Molonglo River corridor and across to the Arboretum. Unlike its neighbors who demand attention through excessiveness and scale, the house is quiet and humble through its slow-line, single-story form made from neutral, earthy materials. The form comprises a simple skillion roof, which kicks up to the north to take in winter sun to warm the house. Shading devices protect it from the summer sun. Brickwork and textured pre-colored FC cladding have been used as a response to a client request for low maintenance. Riverview House is subtle and subdued in an area that has been built up to the boundaries. Its connection to site, thoughtful planning, and practical design following simplistic principles is a testament to the fact that even in later stages of life, one can still have the great Australian dream. Riverview House is a simple yet well-considered solution for attainable housing. The house is arranged as a series of double brick blades which dissect the landscape into rooms. The blades create articulation of the facade within the careful bounds of a low-lying roof. Internally, double brick blades create thermal mass. Spatially, the blades gently delineate internal spaces while framing external views of the garden and river beyond. The Riverview House delivers a sustainable, future-proofed, and delicate insertion into Canberra's new suburbia. The Riverview House sets the benchmark for what is possible for sustainable housing design in new suburban subdivisions. The house is a simple, strong, linear design with northeast orientation built into its siding. The single-story scale illustrates the efficiency of the plan while making effective use of an irregular-shaped block to achieve ample garden and deep root planting zones. The garden incorporates on-site rainwater retention, vegetable patches, and composting. The house is in stark contrast to surrounding larger-scaled houses, proving what is possible with less. The Riverview House sits low and polite, creating no overshadowing or interruption of neighbors' views. Using standard construction techniques, standard windows, and attention to building wrapping for air tightness, a highly efficient 8-star house is achieved. Eaves and shading are built into the form, and internal brick walls serve as thermal mass. The home has a solar PV system with ability to meet a zero-carbon outcome for the life of the building. Accessibility and aging in place are seamlessly incorporated into the design. The efficient layout accommodates future wheelchair access, accessibility circulation, and grab rails. The Riverview House illustrates the power of thoughtful planning to create enduring yet attainable single housing.